Class for economics, there is a law for you, law of diminishing marginal utility. This law says that as you go on consumption of next commodity, then utility derived from each successive unit will be diminishing. It will diminish to the extent that it will be zero, then it will be negative. So this is the law of diminishing marginal utility. Here is a definition of this law of diminishing marginal utility. You have to mark from this to this, fine. And then there is an explanation for law of diminishing marginal utility. The diagram you have made, that is related to law of diminishing marginal utility. That diagram you have made, that is only following the law of diminishing marginal utility. Diminishing means decreasing. So marginal utility is the satisfaction. Satisfaction derived from each next unit, that will be decreasing, that will be diminishing. The diagram you have submitted me yesterday, the problem in the diagram, you are not correlating the diagram with the explanation. Likewise, suppose this is a diagram you have submitted, then you have to tell me that up to fifth unit marginal utility is diminishing and total utility is increasing at diminishing rate. At fifth unit marginal utility is zero and at fifth unit total utility is maximum. Then after fifth unit marginal utility is negative and total utility is falling. This is the lines which connect the explanation with the diagram. If it is not written, then you will get 0 marks for the explanation in the question, and there is a specific marks of explanation that was missing in most of the question except 1 or 2. So take care of this. Now there is another important line, that this law is given by the Guzen, H. Guzen, and that is why it is known as Guzen's first law of consumption. So it is also known as first law of consumption, Guzen's first law of consumption, and it is propounded by H. Guzen. That you should learn, that can be asked in the question, and all the others are the explanation of this particular definition. Now these are the assumptions given on 2.6 page of the law of diminishing marginal utility. First of all, that cardinal measurement of utility. Cardinal measurement of utility means the satisfaction you will derive, you will tell that satisfaction, express that satisfaction in number. Cardinal का मतलब होता है नंबर. जैसे कि आपने अगर सपोज करो एक रोटी खाई है, तो आपसे पूछ रहा है कि हाउ मच यूटिलिटी यू डिराइव फ्रॉम बाय कंज्यूमिंग दैट वन चपाती, देन देयर you will tell I'm getting 100 util, and other person can tell 50 util. So utility can vary, but you have to tell the satisfaction in terms of utility, and util is the unit of measurement. Now that monetary measurement of utility. So utility can be measured in the monetary term, that I will tell you in the question, that how the utility can be measured in monetary term. Consumption of reasonable quantity. So reasonable quantity means if you are consuming suppose chapati, then it should be whole one chapati, it should not be one bite. So if you are consuming one bite, after one bite, then definitely it might give you more satisfaction, but you have to consume a reasonable amount, a proper amount of quantity of a particular commodity about which utility you are discussing. Fine. Suppose you are eating ice cream, so it should not be one spoon, it should be one scoop. Continuous consumption should be there should be continuous consumption. It should not be like that once you consume, then you stop, then after 1 hour you are again consuming when you feel hungry. So it is not so. You have to consume the things continuously. No change in the quality, like it was not so that earlier the ice cream you are getting, that is without sugar, then you are getting with sugar, with cherry, with nuts. So definitely that will give you more satisfaction. So quality will be same. You will consume the same, or uniformity. There is a uniformity in the thing, so that quality should not be changed while consumption. जो आप कंज्यूम कर रहे हो वो बिल्कुल एक जैसा होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि earlier you are consuming the bad quality product, then good quality, definitely good quality will give you more satisfaction. So in this case, no change in the quality of the ice cream, or not change the quality of the any product you are consuming. Rational consumer should be there. There should be rational consumer. There should not be like that. It should not be like that he is behaving like mad person. So he should be a rational consumer who can take the decision. If the rational consumer is consuming, definitely the next successive unit will give him less satisfaction. Independent utilities. Well, all the commodities the consumer is consuming are independent, because marginal utility of one commodity has no relation with the marginal utility of other commodity. So all the commodities should be one. The utility derived from one commodity should not be dependent on the utility of another commodity. Marginal utility of money remain constant. So here, what is the marginal utility of money? That is very important. Marginal utility of money means utility derived from 1 rupee. So utility derived from 1 rupee is equal to how much units you can purchase with that 1 unit, and utility derived from those goods which you are purchasing with 1 rupee. That is a marginal utility of money, that should be constant. Suppose with 1 rupee you can purchase 1 toffee. So 1 toffee will give you satisfaction equal to 50 util. So I can say 1 rupee is equal to 50 util. In all the case 1 rupee must be equal to 50 util, and that will be remain constant. So this is the marginal utility of money. Marginal utility of money means first of all you are considering the utility derived from 1 rupee. Fixed income price, income and prices both should be fixed, it should not be changed, otherwise your satisfaction can be changed. Then perfect knowledge, you should have perfect knowledge regarding the consumption and regarding the spending of income, and consumer is having the perfect knowledge of various choices available in the market even. So all these things should be there. So if you want to apply the law of diminishing marginal utility, then all these things should be there. Fine. So all these things, after having all these things, what is another thing that you have to make the diagram. While making the diagram, unit of ice cream is given, total utility is given, marginal utility, you have to fix marginal utility. Suppose it is 20, then 16, then 10, then 4. We are decreasing the marginal utility in same constant, so that you will get the very beautiful diagram like straight line. Otherwise you can have 20, after 20 you can have 17, after 17 you can have 15, it's no problem. So you can have the different type of marginal utility but in decreasing rate. But here we are decreasing all the utility with 4 util. So that is why here is the point of satiety 0, and there the minus marginal utility. That question can be asked, what is the point of satiety? There marginal utility is 0 and total utility is maximum. This is very important point that can be asked. Now the total utility 20 is a total utility deriving from 1 unit, and then if you consume 2 units, then 20 plus 16 36. If you are consuming 3 units, then 20 plus 16 plus 10 46. You can also have 16 plus 10 is equal to that you have to add up everything, because all the marginal utility is this. Then after for consuming fourth unit, you can have 46 plus 450. Likewise you can do 46 plus 450. Otherwise 20 plus 16 plus 10 plus 4 is 50. And for fifth unit you can have 50 plus 0 50. Otherwise add up all these utility, you will get 50 as a total utility. From 6th unit you will get 44. 50 minus 6 is equal to 44. Otherwise you have to add up all the utility and you have to deduct minus 6, then you will get 44 as a total utility. So this you have to draw. This is a diagram of marginal utility. So here the quantity and here the marginal utility. Labeling is missing in the diagram, and I will cut your marks if your labeling is not done over there. Unit of ice cream and their marginal utility of ice cream. So first unit give you 10 20, then 20 15, 16. You no need to make this. Fine. You can straight away make the diagram like this.